our satellites detected 10 megatons of Chinese depleted plutonium in Venezuela. We are suspecting Maduro is trying to build a FENT reactor.
Who the fuck gave him the FENT reactor schematics?
Who gave him the blueprint, right? That is a valuable blueprint. Who gave him that?
Turns out Microsoft outsourced engineers from China to handle our government systems.
Not
And they had
China.
access to confidential information for the past 20 years.
You telling me it was weighing in the corner this whole time?
Motherfucker Bill Gates. I knew not to trust him after he tried vaccinating mosquitoes and shit.
Bill Gates has been dealt with, sir.
Fuck it, we wigger nuke him.
Already ahead of you, boss. Kirkinator is on his way with a non-lethal wigger nuke.
So why the fuck are we nuking Venezuela?
It's not a nuke, Pookie. It's a wigger nuke. There's a difference. You'll see.